Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make good Caesar salad. First, select the freshest romaine lettuce, ensuring it's thoroughly washed and dried to prevent a watery dressing. Next, craft your own croutons from day-old bread, toasted until golden and seasoned perfectly. Finally, grate a generous amount of authentic Parmesan cheese, as its sharp, salty notes are essential for a truly classic taste. The heart of any great Caesar salad is its dressing. Begin by whisking an egg yolk with a teaspoon of Dijon mustard and a tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. Gradually drizzle in about 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil, whisking constantly until the mixture is thick and creamy. Then, stir in 1 clove of minced garlic, a 1/2 teaspoon of anchovy paste, and a dash of Worcestershire sauce for that signature savory depth. Once your dressing is ready, it's time to assemble. Place your prepared romaine lettuce in a large bowl. Pour the dressing over the lettuce and gently toss until every leaf is lightly coated. Next, sprinkle in your crunchy homemade croutons and a generous amount of freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Serve your Caesar salad immediately to ensure the lettuce remains crisp and the flavors are at their peak. To elevate your Caesar salad, consider adding protein like grilled chicken or perfectly cooked shrimp, transforming it into a satisfying main course. Remember, you can always adjust the amount of garlic, anchovy, or lemon in the dressing to match your personal preference. For more great tips and deals, including where to find the Oala water bottle mentioned, check out the description below. Enjoy your delicious, homemade Caesar salad.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.